Hello my friends and fellow yogis. Welcome to this Kundalini Kriya, which is one of the fastest ways towards enlightenment. But of course, it is a journey in and of itself, and we don't want to rush this process for the safety of our body, our mind, and our soul. Kundalini Kriya is a series of breathing exercises aimed to awaken this dormant energy at the base of our spine, more specifically the sacrum at the lower back. It's symbolized by a snake, Kundalini, and with this breathing, it works to almost break apart the stone that is covering the snake so that it can be released up the spine towards the crown chakra, our higher consciousness. So this energy meets with higher consciousness, and then we become whole. We find unity, oneness. Two becomes one, flowing through life in a state of ease and peace. Ultimately, this is stilling the mind, quieting the mind, stepping out of the ego, out of the constant chatter, where you're just a continuous stream of consciousness, observing without reacting, simply being. As we awaken this energy, release blockages, feelings, emotions, thoughts can come up from our past, just like when you still muddy water, the mud sinks to the bottom in order to be removed. We're releasing a lot of fear, a lot of suffering through this process. And before you can release something, you have to witness it. You have to feel it. But there's nothing to fear at the end of the day, because you're letting it all go to become a lighter version of yourself. Before we begin, I want to explain what we will be doing. The first exercise will be Kapalabhati breathing. So it's forceful exhales through the nose, using the stomach as a pump. Like that. Repeating that 15 times. On the final exhale, we'll release all of the air in our lungs and belly fully. Then we're going to activate Mula Bandha, or squeeze our pelvic floor. Hold that for a moment to let the energy sizzle. With our hand, like we're pulling a string, we're going to breathe in and imagine a ball of energy rising from our root chakra all the way up to the crown chakra. We'll hold it here for a moment, let the energy sizzle, bringing our awareness to this area and feeling the energy there. Still activating Mula Bandha, squeezing the pelvic floor. And then we'll release with a sigh, with our hand as well, and release Mula Bandha. That whole sequence we will repeat 3 times. Then once we've completed that series, we will repeat this energy pulling 7 times. Sounds like a lot, but I'll guide you through it. So we'll go ahead and get started. Let's find a comfortable seat. Lengthen from the spine and turn our chin downward. Feel free to close your eyes or keep them open if you'd like to watch me. Okay, we'll settle into our body. Place a hand on your belly, hand on your chest. We'll take a deep breath in and begin with Kapalabhati breathing 15 times. Deep breath in. Exhale fully. Squeeze Mula Bandha. Hold the energy there. Breathe in as you raise the energy up to the top. Hold. Feel the energy at the crown. Exhale, relax the pelvic floor, relax your belly. Kapalabhati breathing, inhale. Exhale fully. Squeeze Mula Bandha. Inhale, visualize the energy rushing up your spine. Hold it at the top. Bring your awareness there. Feel the energy. Release and relax. Kapalabhati breathing. Breathe in. Exhale fully. Squeeze the pelvic floor. Feel the energy at the base of your spine. Breathe in, let it rise. Pull that energy upward with your hands. Visualize it moving up your spine, your neck to your crown. Hold. Let it circulate at the top of your head. And exhale, relax your belly, relax your pelvic floor. Take a moment to sit in this feeling. Return to natural breathing. Bring a gentle smile to your face. We are simply being, witnessing sounds, witnessing thoughts, images, and not attaching to them, letting them pass. We will come back to our energy work. Exhale fully. Squeeze your pelvic floor. Let the energy build. Breathe in, pull the energy up the spine. Hold it at the top of your head. Release everything, sigh it out. Again, squeeze your pelvic floor. Breathe in and visualize that energy as a sphere of glowing light rising up the spine. Hold. Exhale, relax the pelvic floor, release the belly. Hold. Mula Bandha. Feel the energy build. Inhale, let it rise. Full concentration on your breathing. Full concentration on what you are doing right now. Hold at the top. Feel the energy there. Release, exhale. Engage Mula Bandha, hold. Inhale, rise. Hold. Exhale, relax. Hold. Engage Mula Bandha. Inhale, rise. Hold. Visualize the energy at the top of your head as a glowing sphere of light. Give it its own color. Exhale, release. Hold at the bottom. Engage Mula Bandha. Inhale, rise. Hold. Exhale, relax. Hold. Engage Mula Bandha. Inhale. Hold. Exhale, release. Let your hands rest on your thighs. Return to natural breathing. Tall spine. We will sit in this feeling for a moment. We'll slowly begin to come back to the room. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste.